This is 10-day dropshipping challenge video. Many people are jumping into the dropshipping challenge trend, so I decided to try it myself. Along the way, I'll share my personal tips to start a profitable dropshipping business. For this challenge, I have to go through following steps: niche research, ad spying tool to find a winning product, find a reliable dropshipping supplier, create a dropshipping store, and run Facebook ads. Before I start this challenge, proper niche research is essential. By the way, I've already created a detailed video on dropshipping niche research. Link in the video description. You can check it if you are interested. For the day one, I'll be using Google Trend to find my niche. So let's visit a trend.google.com. Here, go to Explore section and select your country where you would like to do a dropshipping, and rest of the options should be the same as mine. Now type in your search term. I'll use car accessories, but feel free to explore any niche that you have in your mind and hit enter. So you can clearly see that the car accessory shows consistent interest over time in United States. So this indicates that the car accessory could be a profitable niche only if you follow all the steps that I've mentioned. Now I need to find a winning product. To find a hot selling product, let's open this URL and press enter. It will open the website 𝗀𝗶𝗶.com. This is one of the best ad spying tool over the internet. The best part is you can launch your winning product in just 3 clicks. I chose 𝗀𝗶𝗶 because it allows me to spy on best performing ads within my niche in real time. And of course, it has a user-friendly interface. So let me show you how to use 𝗀𝗶𝗶.com to find your first winning product. To use this amazing ad spying tool, you have to create an account on this website. If you use my coupon code, by clicking on this button, use my promotion, you will get 20% discount for 3 months on premium and starter plans with this coupon code. To get the 20% discount, you can either click over here or anywhere on the video, or maybe right here, and here you can register with your Google account to use this tool. So let me click on continue with Google. So let me quickly log in. Okay, once you register on this website, now you're ready to use this tool. If you're using free trial of this website, you will get 350 credit to use this tool. However, you can use my promo code in order to get your first premium plan or your starter plan. Since I already have a premium account, so I'm gonna log in into my official account. After logging, you'll find many options to find a winning product. If you scroll down, you can see the top 10 products of the day from Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. You can consider one of these products if they are aligned with your niche. If not, let me show you another way to find a product. In the menu section of this website, click on ads. Here you can see all the ads from Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. On the left hand side, you'll have the filter that allows you to sort the ads according to your preferences. The way I like to use this filter is by selecting shop now, buy now from the call to action filter. Next, I select high engagement from likes, comments, and shares. Now you'll see the top performing ads across these platforms. You can even select your country where you would like to start your dropshipping business. Another way to find ads using these buttons, you can see weekly winners, the best of the month, recent dropshipping, and so on. These buttons are actually a preset for this filter. Since I'm doing a 10-day dropshipping challenge and later I'll run Facebook ads, I'm going to select weekly winners and Facebook ads. Here you can see I have several top performing ads. Just scroll through the ads and see how many aligns with your niche. Once you find a winning product, simply click on see more button. You will see a complete detail about this product. Once you are happy with the product, you can click here to see the product page. I'm going to click on find on Aliexpress. In this pop-up, click on the product image. Now wait for a few seconds. It will show you the same product available on Aliexpress that you can import directly to your store. Instead of importing product from Aliexpress, I personally rely on fulfillment.com. On Aliexpress, you won't get fast shipping and you also get a beaten up packaging. This leads to a bad customer experience. On the contrary, fulfillment.com has their own private line which ships the product to the United States within 5 to 8 days and to the United Kingdom within 3 to 5 days. You can pause the video and you can see the fast delivery time on other regions by fulfillment.com. The good thing about the fulfillment.com is if you find any product over the internet or in your competitor's shop and you're not able to find elsewhere, you can send the product URL or image of the product to fulfillment.com's team. They will source the product for you so that you can list it in your store. By the way, I've already covered a video on Fulfillment's features and why Fulfillment's dropshipping service is a top-notch among other dropshipping suppliers. You can watch all those videos in the video description. So finally, I have a winning product and I have a best dropshipping supplier, which is 𝗲𝗁𝗀. Now it's time to build a dropshipping store. There are many ways to build a dropshipping store, but this time I'll be using WordPress, which offers many features than other platforms, and it is more flexible than Shopify and other platforms out there. However, if you want to build a dropshipping store with Shopify, link in the video description that allows you to build a dropshipping store for $1 a month for 3 months. As I mentioned, I'll be using WordPress. For that, I need a hosting and domain name. Before we buy a hosting and domain name, it is important to do a brand name research. What you can do is just go to Google Gemini's website, which is a free AI language model. Link in the video description. Just ask Gemini, please provide me with 50 brand names that are available to buy as a website domain name, high search volumes in Google searches, and fall under car accessories niche categories. Now, as you can see, Google Gemini has provided me with 50 brand names for different requirements. So select the one that you like. Now go to this URL. It will take you to Hostinger's website. On this website, you want to click on Claim Deal button. You will then see hosting plans. Choose the one that fits your budget and aligns with your goal. I'm personally using a business plan, which comes with a free domain name and other amazing features. To buy any plan, simply click on Choose Plan button. On the next page, select time period. How many months do you want this web hosting? If you select longer period, you will get more discount. Now scroll down here, you can log in using your Google account, or you can use your own email to create an account on this website. Once you are done with login, you'll need to select the payment method and make sure to fill in the details. Once you're done with all that, simply click on Submit Secure Payment button at the very bottom. Now complete the payment and get your web hosting. After purchasing your web hosting, you will be taken to a page where you will be asked for claim a free domain name. On this page, type in the domain name that you've got from Google Gemini. Once you're done with your domain name, you will be land on Hostinger's dashboard where you have to install a WordPress. To install a WordPress, go to website section and click on Auto Installer. Here select WordPress. In the pop-up window, type in the website title, email and username and password. Now expand the advanced options. Here make sure you have selected the right domain under the installation path and make sure do not touch anything else. Simply click on next button. Now click on the install and your WordPress script will be installed on your web hosting. Website design is a long process. If you want to learn how to create an e-commerce website in detail, you can check out this video. You'll find this video link in the I button or in the video description. So make sure check out that video and create your e-commerce website. Anyways, I'm gonna spend some time on building this store. So I'm gonna pause the video right now and I'll see you soon.
Day 2.
Hey guys, I'm back and this is day 2. And before we move on, let's quickly recap what we have accomplished so far. We have done the niche research and we have found the winning product using ad spying tool. And we have also found our trustworthy dropshipping supplier, which is the 𝗲𝗁𝗀. And I've also created my e-commerce store on WordPress. Moreover, I also filled my store with winning product using 𝗲𝗁𝗀. And now it's time to promote our store products. I typically start with one product. Once I start getting sale, I use free strategies like upselling, cross-selling, email marketing, which is the most powerful marketing tool available in the market to promote your products. Soon I'll upload essential training for email marketing for dropshipper. So if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss it. Anyways, now I'm gonna run Facebook ads and I'm gonna quickly set up an ad for my product and I'll let it run for the next 3 days. So I'm gonna stop the video for now because the complete ad setup is a long process that I'll cover in a separate video. And now let's hope for a good result and I'll see you after 3 days. Hey guys, this is the last day of this 10-day dropshipping challenge and this is the result that you can see on your screen. I've made this much money with newly started dropshipping business. If I can do this, you can too. Just believe in yourself, follow the right guidance, and you can achieve anything you want in this world. So before I say goodbye, I want to let you know that I'll be posting my Facebook ad result on my Instagram page. So make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. Link in the video description. So that being said, goodbye. Till then, I'll see you next time.